Hello everyone, in this video we are going to be replacing the transmission fluid in this 1991 Honda Civic CRX. This is the SI model with the 1.6 single overhead cam motor. And so basically you're going to be taking off the passenger side wheel, and the transmission has a drain plug right here as well as a fill plug, which you can kind of make out, but it's I have currently a funnel running into it. And let me see if I can get a good angle. But yeah, the fill plug is to the left of this CV axle right in there. And so that uses a 17 mil bolt. And if your bolt breaks like mine did, you're gonna need to spend a lot of time trying to get it off. In my case, this was completely flat. So I took a MIG welder and I welded a bunch of stuff onto it. Eventually I could get a chisel, and then I was able to like chisel this to like kind of eventually break it free and counterclockwise. And then I have a replacement fill plug here. This is an M20 thread by 1.5. And so if you run into the same issue that I did, you can get a replacement, so you don't have to spend 4 hours trying to get the old fill plug out. So basically, before you drain your transmission fluid, I highly recommend making sure you can get off the fill plug first. If you can, great. If not, don't do this until you're really sure you can actually fill it back up. So basically, that's the key things underneath the car. The lug nuts also, if you are going to be putting the wheel back on, are torqued to 80 foot-pounds. And then up here, I've got a funnel with a tube, and see if I can get a good shot of showing how the funnel, and this is some bicycle inner tube I used. Basically it's running into the actual transmission. And yeah, I'm sorry, it's pretty hard to see in there. But basically, yeah, it goes into the transmission fill plug. It should take about 2 quarts, thereabout. What I am doing is I went to my auto parts store and bought some full synthetic 5W30. And right now it's at the 5 quart mark, so we're just going to go down until we're at the 3 quart mark right there. The other thing is to make sure that your car is on level ground when you do this. So I have the jack on back as well as the front to get this thing roughly level. My driveway is at a bit of a downhill tilt, so car is flat right now. And now we're going to add in the 2 quarts, and then basically the way the fill plug works is it won't let you add any more than 2 quarts because it's going to start spilling out once you get to that point. But once you've done all that, you'll torque the fill plug back on, and then you'll be done replacing the transmission fluid in your Honda Civic or CRX. So yeah, I hope this video helps, and thank you guys for watching.